As I get older, I wanted to save my teeth. I wanted every opportunity to save my teeth, and I researched, and I found you.
When patients come in, we can figure out one of two options to save their teeth. If they came in like you at the right time, we can actually save their teeth. We did our laser treatment, the Periolyse, Lampee laser. We're able to reverse gum disease.
It was exactly what I was looking for.
I mean, you wanted something that was more like holistic, natural.
Yes.
And there's not a lot of people that offer the laser. It's a serious investment to have the laser in a practice, and then it took me over a year to become trained on it. And I know that you were, like so many of my patients, you were terrified, you were petrified.
Dental care is my most fearful thing, and that was the best part because you just made that so easy. You're such a person. You're a puppy-loving person.
I love dogs. I like people. That's how I've been my whole life. So you got the laser treatment, we were able to save the teeth. Your mouth is basically infection-free now. So that bacteria isn't affecting your mouth, it's not getting into your bloodstream. We know even more now about all these bacteria from the mouth can get into the bloodstream, increased risk for heart attack, stroke, worsens your diabetes, worsens autoimmune disorders, so you're not having to deal with that. So now you can do your dog rescue.
I'm from Indigo Rescue. We're an almost 27-year-old animal rescue organization, and we focus on geriatrics, senior animals, senior dogs primarily, and dogs with disability, special needs. And then we get litters of puppies because mamas come into the county shelter pregnant and can't have puppies in the shelter. So this litter that we have came that way. The mama came into the shelter.
So you're trying to find homes for not only, these beautiful little puppies, but there's also the older dogs, special needs dogs, and that takes a special heart to do that. For so many of my patients, the thought of losing their teeth is like the worst fear in life. And then all of a sudden someone comes in, and a lot of times I have to tell them, we have to take them all out. They're too far gone. For the patients that come in at the right time and have the desire, we can save them, like with the laser or crowns and veneers we do. And so we're able to do that for you.
The thought of losing your teeth is so traumatic. It feels like losing a limb, like losing a finger, a part of your body. And so finding out that I could do something that would prevent that I could save my teeth, that's huge. I don't know if I'm an odd case, but I had no pain. I have no memory. I had no pain during, I had no pain after. I mean, minimal discomfort, so little that I literally didn't even have to take Advil. It was like almost no pain.
What's crazy is even with a lot of my like full mouth implant stuff that I do, I have a lot of patients tell me afterwards, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad.
Well, you get yourself all ramped up with anxiety and then no pain.
And part of that is just letting go of that, like accepting and then trusting, finding the right person to help, but the trust and that rapport is helps because people are terrified of the dentist.
I appreciated that it was very matter of fact, but you don't act like a clinician. It was just perfect, exactly how I wanted it. Thank you, Dr. Lampee.